Hello and welcome to Punk Science TV. I am Dr. Manjir, and today on Punk Science TV we are going to be talking about water and stars. So you wouldn't think that stars such as our own sun and water have that much in common. But it's rather interesting because we're finding that they actually do. So scientists have actually found that stars can shoot out water bullets. So they are young stars that are shooting out water at 200 kilometers an hour, and it's occurring in these sort of two poles that are happening from the stars themselves. And you might think that this is something that's quite unusual, but we can see from this scientific paper that actually water has been found to be on a variety of stars, such as brown dwarfs and also young stars. Water's also been found on our own star, the Sun, specifically within sunspots. Some are even saying that the Sun is actually spraying water into space. So we almost have a situation a bit like this one. Now, that should remind you of things that we've spoken about on this channel before, such as the Moon, Enceladus, and various of the bodies that are spraying water into space. Now, as we've spoken about before, according to the black hole principle, everything at every level is following the same pattern. So it is with water that's been created, and I think there's quite a bit of evidence to show that the black hole principle not only produces things like gamma ray bursts, but is also producing water. So we can see that at the level of sort of super massive black holes, like large black holes, that black holes spew water vapor. We can also see the sort of concentrated bipolar jets around black holes. And as we know, the pattern is going all the way down. So as you see the gamma ray bursts happening at in black holes at the center of galaxies, you're also seeing it in thunderstorms above our heads, and both of them are producing water. So water is something that is part of this common pattern that's happening every level of the universe, even where we least expect it, which is on a hot surface such as that of our sun and other stars too. But it is a reality. It's interesting that people don't talk about this very much. I think because it doesn't fit the narrative of mainstream science, and it's also, from a mainstream perspective, it's quite inexplicable. But sunspots are black holes on black holes. They are the black hole centers on the vortices on the vortices. So these are the creative areas of the sun, as is the center, but you've got lots of these different creative areas. So we would expect to find matter, antimatter, and also water coming from the sun, as we actually do. So totally unexpected, but water is being ejected from stars, and it totally fits with what we'd expect from the black hole principle. I hope you found that interesting. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I shall see you again soon. Bye bye.